Gonna show you guys real quick on how to repair a transformer with a broken arm. So what happened was this little thing here broken off. So how it was put together, basically you need to kind of go through here and then put a screw through it. That's how it's attached. But since this piece is broken, and then if you try to glue it back, chances are it's just gonna break pretty easily. So what I'm gonna do is drill a hole through this and then use a longer fastener to secure it. So hopefully it's not gonna come out again too quick. So get the drill. Not going to start anything too big. Gonna work my way up to the right size. Yeah, this is a pretty good one to start with. Just gonna manually drill a hole through it as straight as possible. Oops, drill it a little sideways. Not really in the center, but it should be okay. Okay, so you can't really use too long of a screw because it's actually coming through. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find a screw that's low enough to touch this surface but not going all the way out and touch the inner part. So while off camera, went through all my little parts bin, all these fasteners. Found this one. That's a perfect one. Already test fitted, so just gonna install it on camera. Hole is big, so I gotta use a little washer. Put it in like that, and then off camera I'll also bore out the hole a little bit. Just put it in position. Strip the, yeah, that's it, it's fixed. Should be pretty strong. Yeah, you gotta make sure you don't tie it up too much where the whole thing's locked up. When it's locked up, when you try to turn the arm, it may loosen the whole thing. So at least give it a little, not too tight, so at least when you turn the arm, the fastener turns with it. Even better, before you screw it in, put a little dab of glue in this new hole so everything's gonna be more secure. All right, that's it. Good luck with your fix.